This guy talking about looks like what, the RSI, net unrealized profit, fear is high. So okay, interesting. Let's see what kind of chart this guy has up. I'm not familiar with it. I'm really not familiar with it, actually. I don't know what the heck this guy's talking about. I don't use that. I mean, we used a ton of indicators in our video that we made maybe 2 days ago. We looked at pretty much every long-term indicator, and that's what kind of led us to the conclusion that Bitcoin needs to see some sell-off. Now, this guy's saying also what I just said at the beginning of the video, right? BTC oversold again. Never bought in a very long time. Not overbought in a very long time. Right. He's right. He is right. Bitcoin is in that oversold zone. Again, I was telling you guys that's the only bullish indicator that we have, though, is that Bitcoin is now sitting oversold, which again is why I think that there will be, well, not I think that there will be. How about that? There will be a short stop that will come in, because that's the way the market works. So I do expect that these things will fall down very fast, and then there's gonna be this like pump, but it's just really going to depend on what day of the week that happens on. Again, we don't want to see that happen on Monday. I don't want to see it happen on Sunday either. I don't want to see this price go shooting back up over the weekend. I want to see this price go down if I'm bullish on Bitcoin. And I know that that is a crazy thing to say if you're new to the market and you don't really understand how a market cycle works, or even how our cycle reacts during the week. But again, I do want Bitcoin to drop down, create healthier levels of support, and then on Thursday start, people will start showing their true market sentiment, right? Because generally we would normally see sell-off going into the weekend. So that's fully what I expect. I do expect Bitcoin to start breaking down going into the weekend. Again, I talked about that yesterday, and we already see Bitcoin drop all the way down from 97 all the way to 94 today. But I do think that there's more than likely going to be a rejection here. And I'm not really going to be bullish even if we do break out because it's the weekend. I would like to see us, in a bullish case scenario, right? Like, I would like to see us reclaim 100K, bro, before we start having a conversation of, is this trend turning over? Can we have a reverse in the trend? Because right now, honestly, um, there's a lot of people that are in the market that are saying that this is a bullish scenario, and I really don't get it. I don't get it, other than the fact that either they're inexperienced or they're lying, because it's just not true. So I just want to also talk to you guys. I'm sorry. Oops, not that. We want to go over to the deck screener, and I just want to show you guys some of the price action that's going on Toshi right now, because again, I do expect that we're going to see a lot of volatility coming into the market. So again, I just want to kind of see what levels we're at over on Toshi. Toshi coin actually up 2% today, still showing signs of life. Again, we're sitting at that 200 million mark, and this is a range that is really very familiar for Toshi. This coin has been in this range for a long time. We talked about this bottom Keltner channel. I even told you guys my bearish case scenario. If Bitcoin did want to drop down, I do think that a retest of possibly like 160 million would be possible. And then ultimate bearish case scenario, maybe we retest at 130 something million. But yeah, we'll see kind of what happens with this chart, because again, we're still flowing inside the trend line, barely. And we do still have levels of support. So on the weekly, right, our weekly is still kind of intact. Our daily is kind of doing what we talked about yesterday, right? We created this bear flag and we're starting to break down on it. And I told you that that would probably happen because Bitcoin was also creating a bear flag. But you guys could see in the past hour with this little market movement, Toshi is absolutely starting to print. So these people are still buying this up. You guys could see big buy orders. This guy just dropped, $5,500 in. So people are still actively buying. You're getting big buy orders. People dropping like 6,000, another 5,000 order. A lot of people loading bags right now.